In this tutorial you will learn how to create a stock replenishment proposal based on historical customer and supplier orders exported from your ERP system. To achieve these goals, you will use Socrate Business Services, or SBS for short. More specifically, you will use a web application called SBS Portal. To learn more about Socrate Business Services, visit socrate.io. To complete this tutorial you need access to the SBS portal. Such access is typically provided to you by a work supervisor or the owner of the SBS account, and CSV files exported from your ERP system based on which you will generate the proposal. The minimum required set consists of 2 files, a CSV file with historical supplier orders and another one with customer orders. For details about the expected files and their format, refer to the documentation. Let's start by signing in to the SBS portal at portal.socrate.io. If you haven't done that already, ask your supervisor or the SBS account owner to grant you access into the portal. Choose your preferred method of authentication. You can use an existing Google or Microsoft email address, or sign up for a new SBS account by clicking Sign in with Socrate.io. After signing in, select the SBS account, application and tenant to which you have been given access, and then click Enter. The services to which you have access are displayed in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. For the scope of this tutorial, the relevant services are Organizations and Predictive Inventory. The demo provider, demo app, and demo company represent the SBS account, application and tenant to which you have access. Before you can compute a replenishment proposal, at least one organization must exist. Click Organizations. Make sure that the following fields are entered correctly. Name. Registration number. The registration number issued by the National Trade Registration Office. And country. You can generate a replenishment proposal from the Predictive Inventory page. Notice the Organizations selector. You can view and generate replenishment proposals for the currently selected organization, in our case, Demo Organization. In this tutorial we are working with one organization only. If you have access to multiple organizations in your environment, make sure to select the correct organization first. Let's now generate the replenishment proposal. Click Add. Select a target month. This is the month for which you would like to compute the proposal. All other parameters are optional. For the scope of this tutorial, let's also select the Compute Analysis Data checkbox, which will make it possible to view additional analysis data as a chart. Click Create. Add the CSV input files. For each file that you upload, indicate the file type, for example, supplier orders. Then browse for the actual CSV file located on your computer drive. After adding all the input CSV files, click Update and Run. This triggers a new process which is displayed in the Processes tab. Initially, each process has the status New. After approximately 1 minute, the status changes to In Process. This status will keep showing for as long as the proposal is being computed, which may take several minutes to several hours, depending on the size of the input files. To obtain the latest process status, click Refresh. While a process is in process, you may stop it as long as it has not generated any results. If validation or other errors are encountered during the computation, the process status changes to Errors and the actual errors are reported in the respective column. If the proposal was computed successfully, the process status changes to Done, and several CSV download icons become available. Click the first icon to download the generated replenishment proposal file. The second and the third icons are for the same results grouped by customer and by industry, respectively. In this example, we did not supply these options, so the icons are grayed out. Click the fourth icon to download a file containing the proposed optimal service levels. This file was generated because we selected the Compute Analysis Data option at the beginning of this tutorial. To view the generated analysis data as a chart, click the URL icon. Use the drop-down lists at the top of the page to switch the product and the desired service level. This concludes our tutorial. For more information, check the links under the video. Thank you for watching.